Hello, this is the lesson video for probability day one. We are specifically in this video talking about the first objective in our notes, which is that by the end of the lesson, we will understand, not with a gray highlighter, that's too dark. We will be able to understand the concepts of outcomes, events, and sample space and apply them to everyday life. Now, when I say apply them to everyday life, what I mean is these are examples that you can find with anything that you are doing in terms of playing a game or playing a game. Honestly, that's what really comes to mind when it comes to probability. Not that probability is only about games. It's just those are very popular examples. So let's start by defining what an outcome is and then what a sample space is, because it's very easy to mix those two things together. An outcome is all the possible results of an activity, however many there are. So the example that I've given to you here in the notes is playing chess. You have three outcomes in total. That specific type or name of outcome is the sample space, right? So we're going to talk about flipping a coin to begin with. When we're flipping a coin, you only have two possible outcomes. And then we're going to say what those outcomes are in the sample space. So flipping a coin, there are two sides. Those are all of our total outcomes. Now the sample space actually says what those outcomes are. So for our sample space, when flipping a coin, you have two options. You either get heads or you get tails. Those are the two specific outcomes. In the example that I provide up here, talking about playing chess with a friend, you have three outcomes. The sample space is win, lose, or draw. Let's talk about another example here, rolling a six-sided numbered die. Now, the outcomes, when you roll your standard die, there are only six options because there are six sides. Okay. And now the actual sample space, what those options are, is essentially the number on the dice that you get, or on the die that you get. If you roll a one, a two, a three, four, five, or six, those are all of your, or that is the sample space. The number of outcomes, however, is just six. And now I'm trying to remember, yeah, that is everything for the first objective, just defining those two things. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in class.